Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox installer crashing on Windows 11. First, we will do a clean reinstall, which is the most effective fix. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Roblox in the list of apps. You can use the search at the top to find it quickly. Click the three dots next to it and click Uninstall. After that, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. Type %local app data % and press enter. A folder will open. Find the Roblox folder and delete it completely. This removes any broken files that may be causing the issue. Now restart your computer. Once your system starts again, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Download the latest installer. After installing, right-click on the Roblox shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the installer full permission to install properly. If the installer still crashes, check your antivirus or VPN. Some third-party antivirus programs or VPN apps can block Roblox from installing. Temporarily turn them off, then try running the installer again. Thanks for watching.